plus 3 equals 6. When we double, we end up with more.
Double, double, time to double, 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 double up. Double, double, time to double, 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 double up.
That 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. When we double, we add it again.
Double, double, time to double, 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 double up. Double, double, time to double, 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 double up.
We get 14 when we double 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. We get 16 when we double 8. 8 plus 8 is 16.
Double, double, time to double, 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 double up. Double, double, time to double, 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 double up.
We get 18 when we double 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. We get 20 when we double 10. 10 plus 10 is 20.
Double, double, time to double, 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 double up. Double, double, time to double, 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 double up.
1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. When we double, we end up with more. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. When we double, we add it again. 14 when you double 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 16 when you double 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 18 when you double 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 20 when you double 10. 10 plus 10 is 20.
Double,